2% that sit right next to an anchor. What is 12% of 200? And what is 22.5% of 200? Not 10%, not 25%, just a hair off. Can you still do it in your head? Pause the video. Build each percent in your head. Here is a hint. Which anchor is it next to? 10% or 25%? And how far off? Here's the move. 12% hugs 10%. Start with the whole, 200. 12% is 10% plus 2%. Carve the 10% slice first. That is 20. Now the 2%. Here is the trick. 2% is 1/5 of the 10% slice. 1/5 of 20 is 4. Draw it as a small band inside the slice. Add them. 20 plus 4 is 24. Check. Just over a tenth. Watch the trap. 1/5 of the whole is 40. That lands on 60, which is 30%. So take the fraction of the slice, never the fraction of the whole bar. Same move on the 25% family. 22.5% is 25% minus 2.5%. Carve the quarter. 200 over 4 is 50. 2.5% is 1/10 of the 25% slice. 1/10 of 50 is 5. Shave it off the end. 50 minus 5 is 45. Now ride the 3 scales from level 1. 1/10. 1.2% is 12% over 10. That is 2.4. Add a whole. 122.5% is 200 plus 45. That is 245. Subtract from a whole. 88% is 200 minus 24. That is 176. Let us walk one together. 13% of 350. 13% is 10% plus 3%. Carve the 10% slice. That is 35. Now the 3%. It is 3 little tenths of that slice. 1/10 of 35 is 3.5. 3 of them is 10.5. Add them. 35 plus 10.5 is 45.5. Now 4 cold checks. Race the clock, then see how each one carves. This is the a percent of a percent rule. If a percent hugs an anchor, carve the anchor slice first. Then carve a small fraction of that slice and add it on or shave it off. Look for a percent a hair above or below 10% or 25%. Remember, every percent is built from the 7 anchors. Once you can carve those slices, every other percent is just slices added, scaled, or subtracted. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.